Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.